Rest, ice, compression, and elevation. If you've just sprained or strained the muscle, then you want to do this in the first 2 to 3 days. Hi guys, and welcome back to Fit with T. I hope you guys are good. So R.I.C.E therapy is a really simple but effective self-treatment method that you can use that helps to reduce your swelling, helps reduce any inflammation or anything like this, and just aid with the recovery of strains and sprains. Okay, so what is R.I.C.E? The R stands for rest. So the first couple of days, 2 to 3 days, you want to make sure that you rest the injured part of your body. So if you sprained your ankle, for example, you want to rest it. You want to basically get your weight off of it, not try to put weight for it for those first couple of days, which just gives it a chance to recover without being overloaded more than it already is. And so rest is the first thing that you want to consider when it comes to the R.I.C.E therapy. Okay, so next we have ice. So yes, ice guys, so even if you don't have an ice pack to hand, then if you have frozen peas at home, this is sufficient enough. So what you want to do is just apply ice to the injured area of your body for about 15 to 20 minutes a day and about every 2 to 3 hours, okay? And again, this is just going to help to reduce inflammation and swelling of the area and just again help aid the recovery process. So this is something that you can do yourself. Even if you don't have an ice pack to hand, then you can just utilize, most people have frozen vegetables or something like that in their freezer, and using that can help you. If you don't have that, then what you can do is fill up a bottle of water, a bottle or a bag of water even, and put it in the freezer and allow it to freeze, and then you utilize that. When applying ice, you don't want to apply the ice directly onto your skin. So if you're wearing a layer of clothing, so let's say you're wearing trousers or a top, then that can be sufficient. Or maybe you want to wrap the ice in a tea towel or something like that, just to put a layer between you and the ice and avoid getting ice burn, basically. Okay, so the C of R.I.C.E stands for compression. So you want to compress that area using a clean bandage, and again, that just helps to reduce any swelling or to avoid swelling as well. And you want to make sure that you don't wrap the bandage too tight, guys. This can be dangerous. You can cut off your blood circulation. You can hinder the flow of the blood around your body, and you don't want that. It can be quite dangerous. So if it does feel tight, it does feel like you feel tingling sensations, or it feels itchy, or it feels like your arm's going numb, or the body part that you've wrapped feels like it's going numb, just make sure to loosen that. So apply compression, but not too tight, because you don't want to hinder your blood flow. Okay, so that's really important. Lastly, you want to elevate the injured area, which is what the E stands for in R.I.C.E, is elevation. So you want to elevate the part of the body that's injured above your heart level. If it is in your lower limbs, then you want to just lie down and elevate the body. If it's in your upper body, it's a bit easier to keep it elevated. But elevating the injured area just helps to return the flow of blood back to the heart, the fluid back to your heart. And so that's it, guys. In the first 2 to 3 hours, this can really help you. It's really simple, but a lot of people don't actually apply these 4 things themselves when injured. So if you do find yourself injured, you hurt yourself, or you sprained or strained an area, rest it, ice it, compress it, and elevate it is really going to help you. Most sprains and strains heal within 2 weeks. If you are experiencing more pain, or the pain is getting worse, then you do want to consult your doctor. And to help the pain, you can take over-the-counter painkillers such as ibuprofen. But if you do take ibuprofen in the first 48 hours, this can actually slow down the healing process. So you kind of want to avoid ibuprofen for the first 48 hours at least. You also want to avoid alcohol massages or any heat treatment within the first 48 hours as well. So for those first 48 hours, the first 2 to 3 days, you want to apply the R.I.C.E method, and this is going to help the recovery process of your sprain and your strain. So if you like the video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up to help me follow my channel, let the algorithm know so that more people can see this video. And if you want some tips about how to avoid injuries altogether, then make sure to check out this video, and I will see you guys next Friday.